my friends. Today, it is your friend. And folks, if I haven't been your friend over the past few videos, then I don't think I can ever be, because we've pretty much been calling it, as I said on Twitter, like a fiddler on the roof that's got a fiddle and he's fiddling on a roof. Absolute stone cold survival accuracy, and boy, what do you know, I mean, look, it's how many times we've been using these spider lines for almost a decade, and this is why they are just amazing use cases of support and resistance in places where you can take profits and enter. We are smack dab basically to the dollar right where the spider line is currently. So let's do a little quick tough action analysis. Going to the 2-day. Still looks the same. We have only 4 hours left. We have only 4 hours left for this to confirm. And there's still room. I mean, we're kind of getting close to the middle of this range right here. The 2-day, still the same, still bearish as all be. The daily, still playing out. And if we kind of just put a line here where we are currently, there's the white, boom. Still a lot of room down. Still a lot of room potentially down if we're at the same place. If we look at the same place, momentum hasn't even gone under the zero line yet. You know, momentum keeps coming down. Technically, we still have room. So here's what I'm trying to say, because here's what I'm going to tell you. Here's what's been happening to me. It's hard to even say it, but folks, I have been missing on this short action like a fool. I've been staying up. I've been short. And I've been in bigger positions. You know, I'm just going to tell you, I've been entering $8 million size positions. Right here. I'm not going to count this one because I think that's the first day I got back. But this was also a day, 3 days in a row, where I was short at the top and it was time to go to sleep. And I'm like, you know, I could set stops, but if I set stops, you know, I'm risking 100K loss easily. You know, do I want to risk 100K? And the answer should have been yes, because every time the last 3 days I've gone to sleep, it's been the top. I've been short at the top. I'll close it, live another day. Boom, boom, boom. So I've missed out on all this action. Even though I've been calling it like a fiddle, I ain't been fiddling myself. I've been man. Anyway, so that's what's going on with me, but there's still room. And so you know what? It's been happening at the same time every day. I've been going to bed around like 8 in the morning Eastern Standard Time is when I'm done. I can't take any more. 7, 8 in the morning. And as soon as that happens, boom, it's game time. So that might be the plan. Let it do whatever it's going to do until I'm going to go to sleep. And it's probably just going to keep doing this slightly up or then step down when it's time to sleep. And so it's always step down. But we've been calling it. But I haven't been trading it correctly. I've been trying to be conservative. And, you know, maybe, listen, it might sting now, but longevity. There's always another bus. Another bus will show up. That's what my father said. Anyway, so for the immediate short term, who cares about that was then, this is now. Standard weak money flow choppiness, fee blendering time. The big move already happened. If I was going to enter a trade right now, I would long it for the remainder of the day. Maybe it comes back up into the 64s. But it's going to be this really annoying, choppy, crappy action, is my guess. Another bull trap. Bull trap. So I'm dealing with regret. I'm dealing with pain. What happens? Oh boy, this is the last line. This is the last defense. We got a long way down after this. This spider line, this and again, this we are entering this zone of major volatility. This is a major volatility zone. Major volatility zone where, and this is the most volatile. 1, 2, you could even say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, almost 13. I mean, it's like every darn candle, almost every damn candle goes all the way up or all the way down. So how much percentage is here? It's 10%. We're at a dangerous number. Bitcoin's favorite number is 4, followed by 3, followed by 2 or 5. We've had 3 dumps in this little dump run right here. 3 dumps. Trend is your friend till the end. Is this the end? I believe the play is to let this shit play out. Screw longing, although we might be able to get something. Screw longing right now. Let's see how it plays out. And by golly, damn it, I hope I short this one. We're still in the week. Please let me catch this 10% short. Just let me catch it. I've been riding. Oh man. My actions. That's why actions speak louder than words. Actions are more important. My words and thoughts. Yes, it's been a no-brainer. It's been a no-brainer since 69,000. But I just haven't been pulling the trigger. I've been pulling the trigger, but pulling out just to protect my ass when I'm sleeping. So I think my problem is I'm trading too large, man. Trading too large. Where I'm worried about taking 100K, 200K loss. So I need to reduce fuck the $8 million trades. I'm supposed to build up to that. I'm not supposed to do it all at once. That's not what I normally do. I build up to my trades. And again, this is what happened. What the stronger you are, the weaker you become. Though in Nashville, strong, trading that price action like there was no tough acting to enact it. 3 out of 4 trades. The one loss I had was 40K. It was 100K, 150, 200. Now that I'm back home, I don't know. Now I gotta reattune myself. So I'm trading too big, and when you're worried about the loss, about the risk, you gotta reduce the position. So I'm gonna reduce my position, and I'm looking for a short tonight. Hopefully y'all been playing these shorts. I hope y'all been shorting it. And I really appreciate you guys who come back to my videos and posts and say, good job, you called it. That means so much to me. You guys are my people. You guys are terrific people. Good luck. God bless. I'll see you later.